Hello everyone. Now in today's lecture we will be talking about general organic chemistry. Starting from class 10th and covering till the syllabus of class 12th, there in total are 7 chapters of organic chemistry. And as we talk about class 10th, the very 4th chapter of class 10th is carbon and its compounds, and then in 11th class organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, in total 2 chapters only. And then in 12th it would be total 4 chapters: haloalkanes, haloarenes, alcohol, phenols and ethers, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids, and the last being amines. And these 4 chapters are in the second part of NCERT, the very first 4 chapters. Right students, so we will be starting with the very first topic of the today's lecture, and that is carbon. And organic chemistry started with carbon only. How and why? Because carbon can be said to as the mother element of the organic chemistry. If we think on this fact, why I'm saying this, carbon is the mother element of the organic compounds, and the reasons are here. Carbon and its atomic number is 6. If we write the electronic configuration, it would be written as 2 and 4. And we can very well see that the last shell of carbon contains 4 electrons. Basically, it's a non-metal, and we very well know that when non-metals makes bonding, it's essentially covalent bonding. So basically, if we want to answer this question, why carbon forms so many organic compounds, answer lies in these 3 important points. The very small size of carbon is one of the very major and important reason for making so many organic compounds. Then secondly comes tetravalency. What is the meaning of this term? Tetra means 4 and valency means number of valence electrons. Then the next question which may be there in our mind, what are valence electrons? So the number of electrons which are found in the last shell of an atom are called as valence electrons. So basically tetravalency, and tetravalency leads to catenation. This word means self-linking capacity. What is the meaning of self-linking capacity? Self-linking capacity means being a non-metal, it makes bond with itself. So basically carbon can form carbon-carbon bond, which is essentially a covalent bond, and due to this only, this may be regarded as the mother element of the organic chemistry. And in the upcoming lectures, I will be making this point further more clear, as we will be proving that hydrocarbons are essentially made up of carbon only and containing hydrogen in the consonance with the covalent bond. And above all, these 3 points are the main important reasons for the formation of so many organic compounds. So basically the question is now clear with the answer. Carbon forms so many organic compounds because of these 3 very important reasons. One more thing I want to add over here, that catenation is due to tetravalency. Rather, we cannot say tetravalency is due to catenation. I hope I made my point clear, that catenation is due to tetravalency. Carbon is having 4 electrons in its last shell. That is why it requires 4 more electrons to make a single covalent bond so that it can complete its octet. And now here I am leaving a question, why octet has to be completed, and I will be answering this with the formation of covalent bond and its types in the next upcoming video. So my dear friends, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.